MT-07 Tracer almost crashed. Okay, low side, almost lost some traction.
Types of bikers who treat lane speed indifferently.
Oh, a little bit high speed. That's a cop. That's a cop, isn't it? No. Woo, I thought a cop did that. So this guy is lane filtering, acting kind of weird, but it's a little bit difficult to lane filter with a big vehicle like that with the panniers on it. Is that how you say it? Panniers? The saddlebags? Going in and out. You're causing confusion for a lot of drivers. It's not something I recommend. Kind of a D-bag move. You guys treating it like it's a game. You see how the other guys treating it like it's a game? That's when you start getting into bad situations. When you treat lane filtering or anything like riding a motorcycle and swerving in and out of traffic like it's a game, well, you win a prize. And if it's a stupid game, you guys know the thing. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. So this right here, doing this, the only prize you can get is either a ticket or crashing to another vehicle. So no, the other vehicles cannot read what you're going to be doing because you're all over the place. You want to be...
Looks like breaking to
whatever.
The
Okay, same thing kind of here. It looks like so far. Clipping in the audio. Terrible. And then we're getting low. Lost the traction on that rear tire. And we went and did a low side. Low sides are no buenos. A low side is a type of motorcycle or bicycle crash usually occurring in a turn that is caused by either the front. So he low sided his crash. Okay, so he low sided during the turn. So look at the body position. Look at the shade. It's all about getting that knee down, guys. Look at where his head is. We're putting the bike super far. The head is not even... The center of gravity for your body is not even doing what it's supposed to be doing here. So we low-sided, and we're sliding across the ground. This is why we wear full gear. He's got a full leather suit. He would have been ripping his skin off if he didn't have that. MT-07 Tracer almost crashed. Okay, low side, almost lost some traction. All right, so what we're doing here is we're going through a corner. Now we're going to have our fingers on the brakes. We're going to practice the trail braking that we learned online. Okay. Not very smart, not very good. It's a little bit difficult to teach trail braking on this part. Maybe he's trying to slow down before the turn because that's what you're supposed to be doing. You're supposed to be looking pretty far ahead and adjusting your speed. Okay, the turn. We're going to go ahead and get ourselves in a nice little body position, try to do our knee dragging because that's what we learned. Maybe got a black belt in it. We're going to go ahead and lose a little bit of traction. Maybe scraped our pegs a little bit, knocked us up a little bit, got us a little freaked out. Okay, so now we're going to start getting a little jostle. We're getting jerky in the movements. Okay, it's going to mess up our line. And now we're going to be going wide. At this point, he's got to stand at the bike as best as he can and apply some brake pressure. Okay, he was able to do that. He was able to slow down enough and get himself out of there. But if you notice, he doesn't have any gear. No gear for his hands other than the helmet. What am I watching? I get dumber. I think this is why I don't like doing this all the time. I used to do this like 3 or 4 times a week, and I just felt like I was getting dumb. Roundabouts, okay. He stalled. He just got it back up. Brand new rider. Can't see much. Okay. Good job with the braking. Good job with the progressive braking. Figured it out. Understood it was an orange stage area. Yeah, donuts and sushi. It's the perfect combination. Roadside channel. Okay, okay. There's that blind spot that we're in. We adapted. You see the adaptation? I want you guys to see that real quick. We're in lane position 2. Okay, we talk about this in the MTC Rider Academy. In lane position 2, 3, right here. This person's going to come over. All we did was adapt to this lane. If we needed to, where I'm blocking it, we can look at the mirrors, and we could have adjusted one more time to the left side. The whole point is planning your ride. Position for safety, which is what we're going to do. Located the hazard, which is what we do. Adapted, that's what we're going to do. And that's how we prevent crashes and even close calls. So he's going to adapt. We're on lane position 1 right here. We're right here. He adapted. He adapted. Did very good. I'm doing the undubbing of the community. Hey, they recognized. I almost got rear-ended by a car yesterday. Oh, okay, good. We recognized it, found an escape, moved on with our day. Roadside channel, here we go. Side of the vehicle. Go ahead and let them through. He just ran a stop sign. Probably not, because they decided to stop before you. Let's take a look. So they probably did not see you. So they stopped behind that. We're coming around a corner. They probably did not see you. Yeah. What was that? What are we getting upset here for? We're upset that you had to switch lanes? Special, okay. Why do you think they switched lanes? We just adapted real quick. Why do you think they switched lanes? Let's take a look at this one, class. I know this is, guys, we're dealing with a lot of dumb riders here. We're going to try our best to learn a little bit from this, okay? Why did this person switch lanes? Rhetorical question. I have the pen, you don't. This person right here is stuck behind this person. There's a big open lane right here. We're in this lane. This person's going to switch over. We have a possible path of travel violation, but thankfully we switched over here. End of story. That is what happened. So the pattern that we need to be looking out for when we are this rider is that this person does not want to be stuck behind this person. Take a look at this image. If you see this when you're out riding and this is what the normal view looks like, be prepared for this person being impatient and wanting to move over into your lane. That's it. How do we do that? How do we understand that? We search for these patterns. We go into orange stage when something like this happens. We figure it out. We start to see this all the time. We start to become better and better and better. We become automatic in our learning stage. Right now we're learning in the cognitive mode of trying to figure things out. And then we're going to go ahead and go into the associative stage where we are actually practicing it out on the roads. We're going to get a little upset here and there. We're going to fail a little bit, but we have at least an understanding of what is going on. And then we're going to go into autonomous or automaticity stage where we're not even paying attention. Really, we're zoned in. We definitely are zoned in and really aware of everything. But the thing is, we see a pattern like this and we recognize, oh, automatically moving over. Non-issue. And let me know in the chat, are you at the automatic stage in some of these things? For this situation right here, are you in the automatic situation where you just kind of see it and you just move out of the way? Not a big deal, right? Yes, that is me. I'm really smart. Yeah. I don't know. I want to see that in the chat. I want to see that in the chat. But that's what's happening here. We see this all the time. This is episode 95, Riding Smart. So just move over, just like he did. Plan your ride. Plan your ride. Plan your ride. Roadside channel. Okay, move over. Hey, we're having a lot of issues here, Roadside channel. Are you the common denominator? It's just, oh my gosh. Non-issue. No. Yeah. Nightbots even say yeah. All right, we're just gonna let this guy have his moment. We're just gonna let him have his moment. We're not gonna learn anything from it here. So go ahead and grab yourself some sushi. If you like today's video, make sure you click this video right here to keep watching more. But if you want to become a smart rider, click this and grab this Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. It's gonna help you become a smart rider by planning your ride, rescuing other riders, knowing what patterns to look for, and so much more. Make sure you grab it. Link will be in the description also. I'll be seeing you around.